Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Big R Crypto. I hope everybody's having a fantastic day today. Basically, guys, I wanted to make a video for investors in this market, new and veteran investors, because I think that it's important that you recycle this knowledge, just for your own self, because these are the things that will keep you profitable in the investing game. Essentially, guys, I know a lot of you guys are coming from the stock market and you're having a hard time dealing with the swings and corrections that happen in cryptocurrency. But I am here to help you with that and try and give you a better mentality towards the whole crypto market as a whole and investing in general. The first thing that any crypto veteran will tell you is that if you can't handle a 50% correction, then you simply just aren't built for this market. And that's just the truth. Before investing in anything, you need to make sure that you have the capital to back you up and to never invest more than what you are willing to lose. Now, the first thing that I will tell you from my experience is that you just need to become numb to, crypto crashes when they happen. And this means hanging on until the storm passes. Let me give you all a very clear and perfect example of what I mean. If we go back and look at the crash that happened to Bitcoin last spring, everyone was selling, and the mom and pops, they were all throwing in their retirement savings, and kids were throwing in their tuition funds towards Bitcoin at the high when it reached $60,000, when the news was at its peak. And first thing I'll say is never buy something when it's at the very top, because you never know what's going to happen. The chances of it keeps spiraling up. I mean, there's a lot of people that have already got into the coin, so chances are it might consolidate a tiny bit, right? But everyone was selling and people sold at the bottom only for it to rise up again a few months later. So let me be clear with everybody watching right now. When I saw the market crashing, I literally got happy, and I've said it before and I will continue to say it. It's a quote from Warren Buffett, and it states, "Be fearful when others are greedy, and be greedy when others are fearful." I had a few certain coins on my watch list, and these were some of them, Luna and AVAX. Basically, guys, when I saw that this crash happened, I was so ecstatic, and I ended up buying these coins when they were at their lowest, the lowest that they've been in a very long time, and this was a huge opportunity. Let's look at AVAX. So AVAX, before the crash, it had a price of like $60, right? And it was consolidating around like $30, $20, $20, $30. And then we can see that the day that the crash hit, it was chilling around like $13, $13, $10, $11, and eventually it actually got down to $9. And when it was at $9, I'm like, I think it's time to buy some, because when the market was crashing, I was just waiting for it to come to its complete bottom. I'm like, okay, I was just taking it day by day and like seeing what was going to happen. And I ended up buying AVAX when it was like at its lowest point. And as you can see, we steadily rose, and now we're at over $130, right? So you guys can do the math and the equation on the percentage of gains, and that's all thanks to that quote. Simply just because I knew that this was at the bottom and there was so much liquidity left to be poured back in after the crash happened. It was just too obvious for me, right? And I've seen it happen time and time again. So that's why I say, like, that quote is so important to remember, and it's such a valuable quote. That's why I say you guys got to keep filling your mind with that, because it really is true. So and same thing happened with Luna, right? Like Luna, same thing. It was at $15, $20, crashed down, went to $4, $5, $6. Look at it now, $42. So that's what I'm saying, guys. That's the value in it. Knowledge is power, and just like Tai Lopez says, the more you learn, the more you earn. Very true. It didn't really matter, like, what you bought at the bottom, honestly, because everything went up, and you would have ended up with a nice gain on your money if you did buy at the bottom, of course. But, mass fear can spread in this industry very easily because it's a new industry. But you guys just have to open up your mind and stop looking at the numbers on the screen like, those are going to be there for the rest of eternity, because they're not. And, this isn't financial advice, guys, so don't invest with what I say. All I'm saying is to be level-headed before entering these markets, or any market for that matter, because, you will end up getting burned. So if you guys want an investing strategy, this will probably be the most simplest investing strategy that you'll hear, but it will probably also be one of the most beneficial investing strategies. And basically the crypto market right now, it's at a $2.6 trillion market cap, right? And the total stock market cap is around 100 trillion. So basically what I'm saying is there's lots of money that's still left to be inserted into the cryptocurrency market. And regulation hasn't even hit yet. But for XRP, it might be soon, and that will open up the gateways to many other cryptocurrencies receiving, regulation and whatnot. But basically, what I will say is just buy and hold. Do your research on some, some decent cryptos that have some good utility behind them. I've already named a few in this video, and just hold on to them, because if you can see the history of the market, guys, we continue to go up. Sure, we might have dips, but we stay steadily rising. And like I said, there is still tons of money left to be pumped into this market, so it's very important that you guys all remember that. But yeah, guys, I think that's basically what I'll leave you with. Just try not to freak out, keep level-headed, and when you get a profit margin that you're happy with, you want to diversify and take profits, because in the bull runs, you have to think about the market as an ocean. There's waves, and you don't want to get caught at the bottom. That's it for today, guys. If you guys like the video, make sure you guys like and subscribe, because I am coming out with the best daily crypto content on YouTube that's going to keep you guys ahead of the game. We are here getting it, guys. We still stay getting it. I'll see you guys next time. Peace out. Bye-bye.